Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NordVPN browser extension for Chrome step by step clearly. Open the Google Chrome browser on your device. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome Web Store and hit enter. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll see a search bar in the top left corner. Type NordVPN into the search bar and press enter. Look for the NordVPN extension in the search results. The official NordVPN extension should have a distinctive logo. Click on the NordVPN extension to open its details page. On this page, look for the blue Add to Chrome button. Click the Add to Chrome button to start the installation process. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions requested by the extension. If you agree, click the Add Extension button. The download will begin, and you will see a progress notification in the top right corner. Once the installation is complete, a notification will confirm that NordVPN has been added. You should now see the NordVPN icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click the icon to open the NordVPN extension. If you already have a NordVPN account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the extension. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. That's it. You are now ready to use NordVPN on your Chrome browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.